Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be changing the intercooler pipes on the Triton. So it's the same for the Pajero Sport, L200 if you're over in the UK. And basically we're just going to swap these two silicone hoses over for the ones that are on the car. So the one coming out the outlet side of the intercooler, and the one going down there to the inlet and up there to the turbo. So it's pretty straightforward. All you've got to do is sort of unclip it from down there, which is there, and then follow the pipe back up, and there's another clamp that bolts onto the turbo side, just there. So I'll get some stuff removed, and we can have another closer look. I've just started to remove the power steering reservoir so we can get access down there to that bottom one. So yeah, let's do it. I'll just show you what you get in the kit, guys. There's two new intercooler pipes, hot and cold side, and there's four clips as well, hose clips. These are like reinforced, like if you look down there, they're sort of like reinforced hose clips. They're quite good quality, and that's why I went for the SAAS kit. And they are different sizes, so just be aware when you put it back on that they're different size bands. So this is coming straight off the turbo side. Let's get a light in there actually. Yeah, so where the turbo, just underneath the turbo, there's the intercooler hose there going down to the bottom of the intercooler outlet. So it's just quite a small one, so just pop it off. Just pop it off. I've already undone the clip. Just pop it off and sort of twist it off that. Sometimes they can be a bit tight, so just break it away. And then you need to match it up with the correct one here. So that is obviously that one, and then the bigger one from the passenger side is that one. So there we go. You just have to figure out sort of what's what when you put it back on, but that's the way it goes. So yeah, I'll pop this back in now and I'll just show you it when it's completed. Here we go, guys, that's all back together. The new intercooler hose is installed. Quite happy with the quality of this SAAS kit. I think it was like 250 bucks for the whole kit from Super Cheap. Yeah, it's really good. I've just left this off so you can see that side. But yeah, really easy, dead quick to install. Just a couple of hose clamps, and just take it off, whip the new pipes out. There's the new ones. The old clips were quite knackered, so just replace, obviously get a new kit that has hose clamps with it. There's the part number for the one I used, if you're interested. I'll put a link in the description for this as well, for the kit. These are the tools that I used. I just used a small 1/4" socket set. I didn't really use them. I was going to take the front support off there, which is just some plastic Phillips, and that basically just comes out, gives you a bit more access. You can do that if you want. I found it easy enough just to take the power steering reservoir bolts off and just wriggle around in there for 5 minutes, and it just came out quite easy. So for me, I didn't find that I needed to take that off, but you might want to. Drop one of the bolts, so magnet, and some grease, just put it on the inside of the new hose, just around the ring, so when you pop it onto the pipe, it just goes on quite easily. And yeah, if you've got any questions about this job, just give me a shout in the comments below and I'll let you know. But yeah, have a good one, guys.